It's the Pound Puppies! Here's Cooler, Whopper, Nose Marie, Bright Eyes, and Howler!
We're Pound Puppies. We wanna go home with you. Please take us home.
The land of the fleas and the home of the babes. And now America, she will be my home too. Hey! Hey! Hey!
There is unsuspecting Popsky now. That is Popsky on which high party official have planted Popstick a crystal in color. We must get cover. Greetings, comrade. You are coming with us, yes?
Oh boy, you must be welcoming committee from new country.
Yeah, we are torturing committee from old country.
Oopski. Toodalooski.
Get him!
I seek hiding place. I also seek date with cute American Cocker Spaniel. But first, I seek hiding place.
This has been a test of the emergency dogcast system. Had it been an actual alert, we probably would have panicked.
But this is an actual alert. There's a dog in trouble at the docks.
Well then, time to panic, folks!
Golly gosh, we're jumping jelly beans. I wonder why those big mean doggies are chasing that cute little puppy. I bet all three of them are spies. Yeah, the intergalactic spies. And they're probably from Mars or Saturn. No, they're from the dog store, yeah.
Whopper Sugar, the only dog star around here is Cooler.
And now, once again, here's the star of our show, Cooler.
How sweet it is!
And our dog star is about to go save that poor little old puppy.
So away we go!
Oh no, I am trapped like Zaretsky.
Do not play games with us, comrade. You cannot win.
But everyone's a winner on America's favorite game show, The Squeal of Fortune!
Popsky!
Hi, fans, I'm Pat Cooljack, along with the always lovely and vivacious Vanna Wolf. And now it's time to spin that wheel. Oh, too bad. You're both losers. But hey, you've been a fun couple, and we have lovely parting gifts.
That's right, Pat. Our couple will be taking an all-expense-paid trip to nowhere fast.
Aloha! And that makes you our big winner today.
What do I win, Ski?
A luxurious, fun-filled vacation at Holly's Puppy Pound.
Pup and pupettes, let's all welcome our canine cousin from Mongrowlia, Pupnik.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
I love America!
Hello, Comrade Clawfinger. We are most unhappy to report that we have lost the Popsky with the collar.
You boobskis! You botched it! I want that collar now! Find
water ski with cement shoe skis.
Hey! For an intergalactic spy, that Pupnik sure knows how to dance.
Either that, or he's got a terrible case of fleas.
What a place, this America. Everybody is so friendly, yes?
Well, not everybody. There are a few rotten apples in the barrel.
Like our next-door neighbor, Miss Hohenstadt, Bonaparte, Katrina.
She's a crab apple to the core, all right. But lately, Katrina just hasn't been herself.
Little barking puppies. Lots of little barking pound puppies. Bark, bark, barking pound puppies. Ah! I can't stand it!
We know, Mommy dearest, we know. Just try to stay calm, Auntie Katrina.
It's a great big giant puppy!
No, Mommy dearest, that's the doctor.
Now, Miss Stoneheart, you've been under a lot of stress. What you need is a nice, long vacation.
Where there are no achy poo puppies around.
Now, girls, take good care of her. And whatever you do, don't let her anywhere near a dog.
You can count on us.
Bye, Holly. Hurry back.
Alone.
So long, pound puppies. Be good.
It'll be good just not having Katrina around for a while.
Hey, Pupnik, this will be your super nifty doghouse until some peachy keen family comes along and adopts you.
Oh, Bright Eyeballs, you and the Pound Pupskis have given me so much today. I feel my heart, it will go Pupski. I must give you something in return.
Oh, don't be a silly Willy.
No, I insist. Please take collar as gift of Thanksgiving from Pupnik to new American friend.
Golly gee willikers, it's beautiful. Thanks heaps. Well, good night, Pupnik. Sleep tight.
I will never wash my face again. I love America!
I still say this pup's a spy, and my name's not Little Big Whopper, it's a Super Whopper. Yeah, that's me.
Popsky with collar is in here, according to our advanced scientific tracking device. We have advanced scientific tracking device. Yeah, my nose key. Collar is smelling this way. Come. Too bad you woke up, Comradina. Now you have seen too much.
Oh no! It's those same rotten spies! They've got bright eyes!
Ich People, Henstockskis and Popnipper Bright Eyeballs!
Jumping jelly beans! Whoa, Mr. Spy Pupnik, what's this all about?
I have no idea, Ski. I am no spy.
Ha ha! Likely story! You're coming down to the station, pal. We have a few million questions to ask you, yeah.
The only real question is, what do we do about poor, pathetic little old Bright Eyes? Oh!
There's only one solution. We have to fight spies with spies. Pound puppies, let's start pounding! There's a dog who leads a life of danger. With every new adventure, he gets stranger. He's cooler than the night. His bark's worse than his bite. Odds are he's the dude to rescue Bright Eyes. Secret Agent Pup! Secret Agent Pup! When Cooler finds those spy guys, you'll know the jig is up!
According to our little old sources, them nasty spy dogs work for the notorious criminal mastermind, Clawfinger.
Oh, Bright Eyeballs! In crutches of about this hideous dog thing. We must save her.
You're starting to catch on to the story, Pupnik. That's good. How we fix the wheels?
We're in luck. I've just finished my greatest creation. The Biscuit Mobile. It has sonar, radar, a battering ram, and supersonic rocket boosters. Sonic boosters. Windshield wipers.
Well, crew, Bright Eyes is waiting, so let's buckle up and blast off!
Oh, wait, there's just one other thing, Cooler.
What's that?
Don't forget to open the door.
Clawfinger's nasty old hideout is somewhere along the coast.
Then let's hit the beach, guys! Surf's up!
Are you feeling any better now, Mommy Dearest? Are you? Are you?
Yes, Pratina, my little artichoke. Mommy's feeling much better.
Relaxing, isn't it, Auntie Katrina?
Ah, yes. Just the soothing sound of the pounding surf. The puppy pounding surf. Puppy pounding. Pound puppies. Puppies. Puppies! Barking puppies! Barking puppies!
Stay calm, Auntie Katrina. Yeah, there aren't any icky puppies within miles of here.
Casino Evil. This must be Clawfinger's hangout.
What makes you think so, Cooler?
Just call it a wild hunch. Now, let's spread out and find Bright Eyes. We'd like a table, Garcon.
Your name, sir?
The name's Bone. James Bone. Hey, this spy biz may not be so bad after all.
Aw, gee, won't you let me go pretty, please, with whipped cream sprinkles and a cherry on top?
It's Bright Eyes. I'd recognize those dessert toppings anywhere.
I'm afraid you'll be staying with us for a while, my dear. And now, the caller.
Hey, that was my gifty from Pupnik.
For what would they Monsky my collar?
Observe, inside collar is top secret brain crystal. Only one in the world.
Was planted in color in Mongralia. Pupnik had no idea scheme.
I feel like Silly Willy.
So what's all this fuss about a dumb old rock, anyway?
Allow me to demonstrate. You will now obey my command, yeah?
Golly gosh, oh gee whiz, you betcha, Mr. Clawfinger, sir.
Then squawk like chicken. By tomorrow, I will control the mind of every dog on Earth.
Golly gosh, oh gee, you sure are a creep.
This is Terra Bubble.
We'd better go tell Cooler.
The only place you are going is, how you say, nowhere fast.
And the fast train over. Oh, Ink! 1,000 times ink!
You will not escape, Ski.
Oh, I've got to get through to Cooler. Oh, well, I never.
And there we were, see, completely surrounded.
By 10, 20, no, 50 dog-eating tigers, yeah!
Wait till I get my hands on that two-timing hound dog.
Hey, look, it's Nose Marie!
With a bad case of stage fright.
There's a pup we know whose name is Bright Eyes. The little old gal's been captured by the bad guys. Better go to the back room, or she's gonna meet her doom. Odds are she won't live to see tomorrow. Secret Agent Pop! Secret Agent Pop! If you're gonna say Bright Eyes, you better hurry up!
All right, Clawfinger. We have a score to settle with you.
And the score is Clawfinger 2, Pound Pupski 0.
Now that I think about it, this spy business is for the birds.
Jailbirds, you mean? Yeah, see? Clawfinger's a tidy rat, see, yeah!
And poor little old Bright Eyes is going to be turned into Clawfinger's zombie slave pup.
Along with all us other dogs in the world. Speaking of other dogs, whatever happened to Pupnik?
You rang!
Pupnik, you freed us!
Of course, I am in America now. It's land of the free.
It won't be for long if that low-down Clawfinger gets his way.
He's making his getaway right now, and he's taking Bright Eyes with him.
Glorioski!
And once again, my friends, away we go!
A day on the beach has worked wonders for me, girls.
You do seem more relaxed, Auntie Katrina.
Oh, I am, Holly. I feel like all my puppy troubles are behind me. Puppies! Puppies! Lots and lots of puppies!
Cooler?
We'll explain later, Holly. Ciao for now!
Puppies! Puppies! Oh!
Now, make extra sure you don't go over 55 miles per hour.
Quiet! I don't like backseat drivers.
We're gaining on him, guys!
Hey, but look what's gaining on little old us. Do something, Cooler, honey. That big old truck's gonna chew us up and spit us out.
Keep your shirt on, Marie. I only had 4 paws. I think I got the pollution. No, I mean the solution. Watch this. What's that stuff? Beefy, chunky dog food.
How are you expecting to sideline Vetskis with donkey kibble?
Easy. Beefy, chunky dog food makes its own gravy. That ought to whet their appetite.
Nincompoop, Nick. Where have you learned to drive? Watching the Dukes of Hazzard ski?
Oh, goody-goody gumdrops! Cooler lick those meanie baddies!
Perhaps, Ski, but he has not kept me from reaching my destination. Behold, Mount Mudmore, from which I will launch my canine mind controller, Ski.
Look, Cooler, honey. Clawfinger's taking poor little old Bright Eyes right into Mount Mudmore.
I can see that, Marie. Oh, but thanks for explaining it to our audience.
Wave goodbye to your puppy friends, my dear. Ski.
Cooler! Pupnik! Pretty please with posies! Help!
Sakes alive! They're heading to the top of the mountain!
And this escalator, no, the calculator. Oh, this elevator's sealed shut. Then we'll just have to climb up the mountain.
But Cooler, honey lamb, how? Why, it'd take a little old mountain climber to get us to the top. Yodelay-hoo!
Yeah, it's the little old mountain climber me!
Sure, we climbing up the mountain, yo, hi-de-ole. Hi, we climbing mighty good, yo.
If this climb doesn't kill us, his singing will.
The mind of every pupski on earth will soon be mine.
You'll never get away with it, Clawfinger, you nasty meanie, you!
But my plan cannot fail. You see, the crystal's connected to the guide wire. The guide wire's connected to the doohickey. The doohickey's connected to the cable ski. And the whole thing ends up there. That antenna will be my signal all over the world, Ski. And your friends are powerless to stop me.
Oh, lady, oh, yeah, yeah, sure. You're climbing up the mountain, yo.
Guess again, icky face!
I'll put a stop to this, Ski.
Uh-oh, where's a little old jumbo-sized Kleenex when you need one?
Gesundheit. Thank you. Come on, crew. There's no way Clawfinger can get away with this. That's what you think, Ski.
Puppies! Puppies! Lots of puppies! There's no escaping them! Ha ha ha! Puppies everywhere!
Don't worry, Auntie Katrina. Katrina. We're going high up into the mountains.
Far, far away from those icky puppies.
You mean there are no puppies up here?
Not a single puppy. Now just take a whiff of that fresh mountain air.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Puppies! Giant puppies! Giant puppies everywhere! Oh, maybe I'm a giant puppy. Yes. That's right. I'm a great big giant puppy.
I think Mummy Dearest needs a vacation from her vacation.
Yeah, we'd better take her home.
I'm glad you could all be here to witness my moment of triumph, Ski.
You fiend! What have you done with Cooler?
I have asked him to assist me, and he was most obliging, thanks to my puppy control beam, Ski, that is.
We're having some fun now, eh, kids?
When I give the signal, the great pound puppy leader himself will turn on the antenna, and all of dogdom will be in my power, Ski. Go on, press the button.
Your wish is my command, big guy.
What are you doing?
Button, button, who's got the button?
No! Not the distract button! No!
Cooler, honey, you did it!
No! All my plans ruined! No!
These villain hideouts sure have a lot of nifty buttons.
But Cooler, why weren't you affected by his awful icky control beam?
Gee, I don't know, Bright Eyes. I must have had something stuck in my ears. Pound Pupskis, I am so sorry that my collar caused so much trouble, Ski. Especially for you, Bright Eyeballs.
Oh, that's okay, Pupnik. You helped us capture that baddie and make the world peachy keen for freedom-loving puppies everywhere.
Oh, Boyski, I love America! Hey, Pupnik, your new family's waiting. This is too much. You have found me happy American home, Ski. Hey, 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 hey!
Wow, it looks like another happy adoption.
Yep. Now, if we could only get that puppy adopted.
Come on, Mummy Dearest, time for your walk.
On second thought, I wouldn't wish that pup on anyone.
It's the Pound Puppy Pet Care Corner.
That sandwich sure looks good, Holly. Can I have a bite?
Hold it right there, Whopper. You know that pets shouldn't eat people food. In fact, some things that are okay for a kid to eat could make a pet pretty sick.
How about a dog biscuit instead? Oh, boy!
Keep your pet in the pink. Make sure he eats pet food